5 clever tips for hiding scars. If you have a photo shoot, audition, or an open call coming up, chances are if you have them, you may be feeling self-conscious about visible scars. You've probably seen many actors and actresses with scars, and these, for the most part, aren't a big deal, other than the fact that they can make you overthink and distract you from giving your all. If you're looking to minimize distractions or feel the need to cover your imperfection before you head out, here are a few clever ways to do so. Here is the first clever tip for hiding scars. If you have scars on your forehead, near your hairline, or on your neck, try switching up your hairstyle to instantly cover them up. This way you don't have to worry about applying scar removal cream, which can be effective but usually takes time to be effective. Try searching the web for inspiration and find yourself the most effective way to cover a scar with a new hairdo. Here's the second clever tip for hiding scars. Along the same lines as a new hairstyle, you may find you're able to cover your scars by simply switching up your wardrobe. Wearing certain clothing can be an easy yet impactful way to cover them up depending on their location. This method also allows for you to conceal them effortlessly and quickly. Here's the third clever tip for hiding scars. Perhaps try wearing accent jewelry. Oftentimes, these can disguise neck or wrist scars. You could even wear a bangle on your bicep if this is where the unwanted mark is located. Getting clever with the jewelry you wear not only accomplishes your goal of masking an imperfection, but can also be a fun way to add some pizzazz to your wardrobe and will help to separate you from the competition. Here is the fourth clever tip for hiding scars. A longer yet more effective process would be to seek out treatments that aim to eliminate scars completely. The best ones will be prescribed by a dermatologist, but there are also effective over-the-counter creams and ointments that will do the trick. Check out the aisles of your local pharmacy and try one out if you have some time before the big day. Be patient, they won't eliminate marks overnight. If you've given over-the-counter treatments a go and you've found you're not satisfied, seeking out a dermatologist is a great option to help you get rid of your unwanted scars. Here is the fifth clever tip for hiding scars. Applying the right shade of concealer is sometimes all you need to quickly hide minor skin blemishes before you head out the door. Of course, it's best to give yourself enough time to be confident about the one you choose. You'll want to make sure it matches the color of your skin as closely as possible and opt for a reliable, long-lasting product. This way you can shift your attention away from your imperfections and focus on what you do best: performing. Head to your local makeup store and chat with a beauty consultant, or do some research to find the right concealer for you. These are just a few clever yet simple ways you can cover just about any scar. Keep in mind, covering up your scars may not even matter to the person who will be deciding whether you book a gig. But if it makes you feel more comfortable and on your A game, then it may be worth it. At the end of the day, feeling your most confident is key. To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.